Hi everyone, split your hair in the middle section and having a clutch of hair, make a lovely hair clutcher with having beautiful beads or strings, then braid it along with the hair. At the bottom section of the hair, braid along with the already created braid and decorate with a hair clutch. Make a triangular loop out of braids and attach it to a ponytail. Then insert a very long bun maker to it and twist your hair on it. Then hide the excess part of your hair by making it swirl clockwise manner and secure it with a tip. Now bring the pretty tip together. In the bottom section of the hair, braid in a very thin manner and pinch the braids forming a loop. Then in the top section, make another bunch and twist your hair along with the bun maker and make it swirl clockwise manner. Hide the bun and the excess part of the bun maker and make the pretty tip. Divide your hair into two sections and the section from the middle have a little tail. Then grab some hair from the sides having the ridge and form a lovely braid. The braid should be very narrow and it should be thin as well. So pinch the braids a little bit for boosting the volume. Then attach a lovely hair clutcher between the braids to decorate it. Divide your hair into two sections and the section of hair in the middle have a beautiful ponytail and make a loop and make a braid in the middle section and have a beautiful hair bun. Hide the hair inside the hair bun. Make 3 bunches out of your hair and the bottom section make a triangular loop out of it and split them into 2 and attach to the ponytail and have a lovely hair ribbon. Braid your hair and braid it one more time with the ribbon and secure it with a bun. Split your hair into 3 sections and the section at the back have a ponytail and twist the ponytail forming a very thick bun and hide the tips beneath it. Then have a thin rubber band. Then at the tips by the sides, make a swirl around beneath the bun. Do it on the opposite side. Have a very pretty hair clutcher. Divide your hair one section in the middle one time and also from the sides one more time. Then with one section of the hair, attach a beautiful hair clutcher that have fake hairs in colors. Choose different colors to make it more even and more attractive. Then make the braids thicker and pinch it for boosting the volume. Then attach it to the ponytail at the bottom, then tie the excess hair around and decorate it. Split your hair into 2 sections and form a braid in the front one and save a section at the back and the bottom section have a tie. Then make a loop out of the braid and have a ribbon and tie it around. Thank you guys for watching this video. There are lots of upcoming videos.